दुसरो प्रश्न जो आहा तो दाबोळीचो, जो यतीशान काडलो की तुमकां दाबोळी जाय जाल्यार मोपा नाका कित्याक म्हणटात, कारण ते म्हणटात तांकां दाबोळी जाय आनी मोपाय जाय म्हणून.
तुम्ही स्टार्टिंग स्टेटमेंट कितें म्हणलो, इट हॅज बिकम अ रियलिटी. देर इज नो लुकिंग बॅक नाउ.
या देर इज नो लुकिंग बॅक.
What we are saying is there is a large number of people who are dependent on the operations at Dabolim. Now the fear is because the way things are happening, I said security setup being downgraded,
लॉजिस्टिक्स
being shifted. आता technologically advanced airport असा, ताका new ground handling equipment घेवपाक जायना. Has it to be shifted from Dabolim to Mopa? What does it mean?
ओके.
And third, ज्या दोतोरान म्हळ्यार 2 years back, we had to, since I was from aviation, without politicizing, I had advised the government that you require skilled people to operate inside the aircraft. I'm not talking about the people who are manning the front offices and all, to work on the aircraft maintain, because I come from that field. Okay, ते तर खेळ्ळें आयज आसपाचें. कित्याक what happens is, अशें करून from other states where there are already manpower available, they will come and snatch the jobs.
तुम्ही म्हणटात की एअरपोर्ट येता इतली वर्ष खबर आसून सुद्धा स्किल्ड मॅनपॉवर तयार करपाच्या दृष्टीन आमी कांयच केलें ना.
बिकॉज सरकार keeps talking about skill development, and but last point एक म्हणटा हांव, coming in the interest of the people of Perne, तांचेर ज्यो पुलीस केसीस फायल केल्या. Now just last Saturday there was some meeting held with the deputy collector of Mormugaon, who was incidentally posted at Mopa and who was the land acquisition officer. ताणे मिसेस अलिना साल्दाना एक्स MLA आणि बाकीचे कोण आशिल्ले तिच्या बरोबर तांकां पॉइंट ब्लँक सांगले, तुम्ही म्हाका वळखना, म्हाका मोपा पोस्ट केल्लो लोकांक थंयसर काडून उडोवपाक, आनी जाणें आयकूंक ना तांचेर केसी केल्यो आपणे. तुमकांय तेच करतलो, तुमी तर आतां आवाज करशात जाल्यार वेलसांव कांसावली. वॉट आय मीन टू से इज that you all have been forcing people. But zale, ata it has become a reality. The so-called technology ke advance, good. But त्या लोकांचेर ज्यो केसी फायल केल्ल्यो,
तुम्ही विड्रॉ करा. ओके.